Yay, the lawnmower is back. So the leaf is blowing all those leaves. Lawnmower done. So at least my garden is going to look a little clean now. Let me show you guys. Now I see leaves on my apple tree. Few days back when I did the vlog, I had showed you guys that they are not sprouted yet. Oh, look at that now. Ah, look at the flower. How beautiful it is. So there's blossom now in my apple tree. I'm so excited. Wow, so beautiful. They're looking really nice. Oh, the sun is glaring here. Ooh, they look so nice. So all the leaves are coming back right now. That looks pretty. There is a weed. It's a pretty flower, but it's a weed. Again, a different kind of flower, all yellow flowers. Okay, now that's how my peach looks. It's a nice day outside today again. I think the last 2 days have been really nice weather outside. Clear skies. Really nice. I'm gonna sit here for a while right now. Hi guys. Today I am thinking of kind of assembling this. I got this from Walmart. It was just sitting there. I hadn't assembled. It's like this garment rack, and I was thinking that whenever like I do videos in the background, like you all see that I don't really have anything, right, like in the back here, except that one and that one there. So I thought maybe I can put the rack here so that it will like also look like a background there when I'm doing my try on. So that I can hang clothes. This was just like $20 from Walmart. It has double thing, and I'm just looking at the instruction there. It has pretty clear instructions. I've just separated the rods like that. This is how much I did so far. That's all. Hopefully, when it should look good when it's done. So it's like black and then the silver. So I really wanted to get a full white one. I couldn't find in Walmart. The other day when I went, I found a lot in Amazon website, but then and a lot cheaper too. But I don't know, like, you know, if I don't like it, I hate returning and all that for in online stuff. So if I'm even slightly thinking about something that I may not like or return, then I don't want to get it online. So that's why I'm trying this. So it also has a roller. These are the, what is that? The rollers to put underneath that, the wheels. So I'm going to finish it and then show you guys. So this is all that much I did today, and today it's such a nice sunny day. It looks good outside. So I'm thinking maybe after I do this, I'll have like my lunch, and maybe then I'll go out and come a little bit, like go out in the sense like I'll just walk around in my community, just the roof of the other house. That's what I see. So sometimes I see a cat coming up there. There is a cat which always, I don't know how it climbs up here. That's what I see when I'm recording, nothing else. So I'm going to try to finish it off, and then I'll show you guys how it looks in the end. So I finished it. Okay, so it's all set up. It was really pretty easy actually. Okay, now that I'm seeing in the camera, I can see it's not straight there. So I will have to adjust this one. The good thing is everything can be adjusted. So let's tighten it. And then they've given like knobs here, right? Like these knobs. So you adjust and then tighten it. So the instructions are pretty clear in the paper of how to do it. So you can keep it this way. And this was like just $20 in Walmart, 19 something. So I think I need to still align it. I don't think it's aligned straight, but those clothes sitting right there are actually, I need to do a haul on them. That's like 3 outfits from Dress Barn that are sitting there. So I have much more actually from Dress Barn. I'll do a haul, so that's why I have covered and kept. I usually a lot of the things I cover if they're coats and stuff, but this is just, I had showed you guys in the old navy. I just put those on just to see how it'll look. But let me show you guys how it like maneuvers, right? You can like keep it even this way, like the way they show it on the thing here. I haven't put the wheels yet because right now I'm keeping it on the carpet. I don't need the wheels, so I'm not going to put the wheels on it yet. So those are the wheels that go under it, like you can like move it around. So if you're keeping it like on the tile or wood like that, then it might be helpful. But right now I'm going to keep it just like this. So the good thing is, like, if I'm not doing hauls, if I want to keep it somewhere in the master bath, or if I want to keep it somewhere in rooms, I can use it like that. It's like quite like not very big, huge, and I'll show you what I can do with it. See, I can move this one attachment here, you see, like this attachment here, yeah, this one, it swivels, so I can move it around. So I can like do this and then keep it this way. So you can keep it like any way you want, so like that. So or you can even like turn it, so you can turn this around completely like to any direction you want and keep that on the side. And if you don't want that, you can even remove it. I can remove that like this part, yeah, this part of it. I can also like completely remove this. Probably will keep it like this straight, that way it'll cover this whole wall here at the background, and I can hang some clothes maybe, yeah, so it'll look like a different background. You can actually keep some stuff here too. I wanted the one that has little shelves so that I can put something on top and bottom, but this just has like this, so you can kind of keep like baskets and stuff that are this wide, then you can place them on this. So only on one side of it there. So anyway, I'm done with this. Ankle has been hurting a lot, maybe because of like not even like going out, like sitting inside, and you know, if you actually use like the proper just pure salt, then that's very good for you. So I am thinking, I only have this is like the Dead Sea salt. I probably need to get some like just sea salt, but this one is like Dead Sea bath salt, so I don't know if it has Epsom in it, so I thought I'm going to use this today. So let's put this, some of this, whoa, some of this, and it's kind of become hard actually, but I'm going to try for that. Actually, I'm just going to use the whole thing, there's not much in it. So I'm going to sit for a while. Let's see if that will make me feel better today.